So let's look at direct variations today. Here we have some problems given to us to solve using the direct variation method. Number one, if D varies directly with T and D is equal to 22 and T is equal to 2, find the relationship between D and T. Number two, if X varies directly with Y and X is equal to 3 when Y is equal to 12, find the relationship between X and Y. Let's solve the two problems here quickly. Gradually we'll be advancing the solving. Number one, D varies directly with T. I said we should introduce a constant of proportionality, and that will be D is equal to, I'm still using my K, D is equal to KT. This is the relation formula between D and T. But yet we're given values that D is equal to 12 and T is equal to 2. So we need to find what K is before we can write the relationship between D and T properly. From here we can find our K. If D is equal to KT, then K alone will be equal to D all over T. But from the question given to us, D is 22, so we'll be having 22 all over T is 2 all over 2. 2 we cancel 22 and our answer will be 11. So our K is equal to 11. So let's return back to the relationship between D and K and T, between D and T. Now that we know that K is 11. So the final relationship between D and T will be D is equal to 11T. If we substitute the value of K, which is 11, in the place of K, we'll be having D is equal to 11T. So this is a relationship between D and T. Between D and T. That is the final result because we're only asked to find the relationship between D and T. Number two, question 2, X varies directly with Y. If you introduce a constant of proportionality, we'll be having X is equal to KY. I'm still using my K. I say you can use whatever letter you choose to use. This is a relationship between X and Y. K as a constant of proportionality. So they have given us what X is and what Y is. So we need to find what K is to help us rewrite the relation between X and Y properly. So if X is equal to KY, in all solving, please go with this method, in all solving. If X is equal to KY, then K will be equal to X over Y. And they said from the question, our X is 3 and our Y is 12. If that is reduced, we'll be having 1 over 4. So our K is equal to 1 over 4. We are going to rewrite the relation, which is this. We're going to have X is equal to 1 over 4 in place of K. I'm writing the value of K in place of K, 1 over 4 Y, which is the same thing as X is equal to Y over 4. So this is the proper relationship between X and Y. Between X and Y, which is X is equal to Y over 4. In our next other class, we shall be solving more advanced problems that have to do with direct variation. So see you in our next other class.